Hello beautiful peoples, I'm Asit from South Asia Tech. I have been making websites in last 3 years, and in last year in 2021 I learned few nice things about WordPress that will make your WordPress journey easier. Maybe you know that already, maybe you don't. I hope this video will help you in your WordPress journey. So I want to give you 4 tips and tricks in this video that will help you. Now here I have a brand new website that I have created to teach you. Now for the tip 1, log into the dashboard and I go to settings and general. Now here you can see site title and tagline. Now if I want to upload a blog post and I schedule them, I need to have a right time zone, otherwise things can go wrong. So over here in settings I have this time zone. Now here's the time zone defined by UTC. Now many of the people don't know about UTC. I know that I have lived in Pakistan and I have UTC plus 5:30, but what if you don't know about that? You have to Google them. This will make things much ugly. Now here you have options to select your city. For example, I'll select New York. Here you can see New York. I can select London. You can select Madrid or any city that you want to add or you lived in. That was trick number 1. The second thing is, if I'm at my dashboard, I want the dashboard to be organized, to be cleaned. What I do before, I collapse these panels, but you can make it even more better. Over here you have screen options. We can uncheck everything. Now we have nothing, and that make your website even look better. The next thing, the third one, if I go to add new page and I say this is home page and I publish it, and before it will publish, and right now I need to publish it twice. I need to click extra times. Now if I go back to dashboard and add new page, now add name, about. Now I go to these 3 dots, scroll down, go to preferences. Here you can see include pre-published checklist. Uncheck it, cross it. Now if I click on publish, and it will published. I don't need to click it twice. Well, there is a faster way. So that's a 4th tip, trick or advice. If you go to your website and go to customizer, you can search for menus and then you can create a new menu and you can give them name like main menu, make it primary menu and click on next. What you can do now, if you click on add items, you can add a new page over here. You don't need to go back and add a new page, publish, go back and create a new one. You can add there faster. Like I'm adding services, click on add button and your page was published here. That's how easy you can create a new page automatically in menus. So 4 things that made my life a little bit easier and I wanted to share with you. I hope you have a great day. If you feel something new in this tutorial, you can feel free to subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos about WordPress. Thank you for watching and good luck.